Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how we can generate images from images. Okay, but for this, we are going to use a stable diffusion, but an advanced version of it, that is run diffusion. Okay, so behind the scenes, it is also using stable diffusion, but it is a bit advanced version of what we have studied before, right? So that's why I just wanted to introduce this thing also. So let's do the image to image wala part in this. Okay, so no worries, you can try it in the stable diffusion also, right? The stable diffusion. So if I show it to you, okay, let me show it to you it. Yeah, you can try it over here as well, like image to image wala, right? But I just wanted to showcase you this run diffusion as well, so I'm just doing it over here, and it is nothing, run diffusion is nothing but the advanced version of stable diffusion. You can understand it like that. Okay, so yeah, this is how the interface looks like. Okay, so they have many 14 plus AI apps. Okay, the one is automatic 1111 web UI, focus, comfy UI, and Kohai ISS, SD.NET, and many other tools, AI tools they have, right? So these are some uh, you know AI application that these guys are using, and Diffusion are using, and this is really very very well. Okay, so as you can see over here, how they are, what things they are doing, like the powerful use cases on your fingertips. Like this is the sample image, and you can create images like this, this. Okay, so as you can see it, very clearly, right? So yeah, that is how it looks like. Okay, so let's start with it. So it gives you half an hour free. Okay, so like whenever you log in, okay, so just let me log into it, and it will give you half an hour's free credentials, so you can use it free for half an hour, and you can do like anything in this half an hour. Okay, so let us log in first. Okay, continue. Yeah, so as soon as you see this, okay, so it is asking that auto what UI you want to use. Okay, whether you want to go with focus UI or auto 1111. So I'll go with focus because it is beginner friendly. So we will go with this focus one. Select this and launch it simply. So yes, it is just creating. So it will say that okay, we are setting everything, and it will take around 60 seconds to 3 minutes depending upon your selection. Like whatever you have selected, it will take this minutes to set up. And so let's wait for it to set up. Okay, let's wait. All right. So once it is set, so it will show set over here, session initiated, and it will just take few more seconds. Okay, and then it will just automatically open the UI part. Okay, and let's wait for it. All right. So as you can see, it is all set, right? Yeah. So now your session time is being started. So I'm left with 29 minutes. Okay. So now I can do anything in this 25 minutes, right? So see, as you can see over here. So this is how our UI looks like. Okay. And here we have a image input, right? We have an image input option over here. Now what we want to do, right? Do we want to get a image prompt, right? Then we can simply drop certain images over here, and it will give us something in paint or out paint the images, right? And you want to describe a image, enhance a image, right? Want to get the metadata of a image, right? So all these things you can do it over here, right? So now suppose I want to describe a image. Okay, so this is my image, and describe this image into prompt. So now what we are doing, till now we have done that, we have written certain prompts, and we have generated a image via that prompt, right? Now what we are trying to do, we are trying to generate a image, right? We are giving the image, and we are trying to generate a prompt via that image, right? So we are doing a reversal over here. Okay, so it is saying a man wearing a blue suit in front of some stage on the. Okay, sorry, my bad. What's happening? Yeah, standing, wearing blue suit in front of stage, standing with a beautiful girl, of course, on the carpet. Okay, so it has given me certain prompt, and I have modified that prompt a bit as per my requirement, like what I want. So I have modified that prompt. I don't want to apply any kind of styles and all. And so this is the size that I want to get. Okay, so I'll copy the size, and image size should be something like this. Okay, so this is my image size which I have given him as well. Okay, let's see, let's try to generate a image out of this prompt. Okay, so now what we are doing, we have given an image, right? We have extracted the prompt from that image, right? We have solved, we have modified that prompt a bit, and we are getting the output, right? So this is how you can generate a image from a image, right? So basically what we have done, the steps that we have done is we have generated a image, right? We have sent a image, right? We have get the prompt, we modified that prompt, and see the beautiful pictures that it is generating, right? See, this is the first image that it has generated. Okay, and this one is the second image. See, it is a bit more artistic, but yes, of course you can play around a bit, right? You can of course play around a bit, and then you can get more things, right? Like from here, okay, I'll tell you this thing as well, like what is in the right hand side of it, I'll tell you that as well, no worries. But yeah, see, it has generated two images. So this one is the first image, but I am interested in the second image, of course. So yeah, this is the second image that it has generated for me. More of a artistic image, but yes, still it is fulfilling like my requirement, right? It is fulfilling my requirement. Okay, see how good it is. If you want to download it, you can simply click on here and it will be downloaded. As you can see, it is getting downloaded, image.png and all those things. So yeah, you can do that as well. Okay. Okay, so art and anime, and if I click on this apply as well, let us try to generate the same thing again, but I don't think so that it will make a difference, right? I don't think so it will make a difference. So, but still, let's try to do it. When we have the option, why not to opt it, right? Okay, yep. Let's see what image it is making. Yeah, cool, man. See, same image, but a bit tweak in the pose and all, right? So yeah, again, I'm getting like desired image, like what I wanted. You can of course play with the styles. Now, how to play with the styles, that I'll tell you over here. So see, in this right section, we have something called images, right? We have something called images, and these images are the images which we have generated. Okay, the images that we have generated will come over here. Let's see. So yeah, see, it's a nice image, right? More of a cartoonish type, but yes, again, we can play around it. Okay, come on, reload. Okay, no worries. Let's go back to home. Yeah. So here you can see that here is a folder, right? And inside this folder, here are all the images that we have generated, right? The images that we have generated are present over here. If you want to, rename, copy, share, or like whatnot, you can do it by from here, right? And we have few more things over here, like logs, right? If you want to check your logs, okay. So here is dot log file dot like file.log and all those things. So you can of course check your logs, like what happened behind the scenes. So you have the log file as well. Okay, and one more thing, custom focus. Yeah, here are some styles. Okay, so right now I don't have any other style other than this, but yes, you can import more styles. Okay, for this, I just want you guys to explore this this run diffusion a bit more, because it is really very good, and these are certain models that we can use. LoRa is a good model. Okay, so we can go with this LoRa model as well, but yeah, again, I don't have any styles imported yet, but you can try it, right, guys? Please try this model, right? Run diffusion is really very well, right? So you can try it on your own. But yeah, the whole purpose is how to generate an image from an image that is being fulfilled, right? You can give him any kind of image, and you can ask him to generate similar images. It will definitely do that. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, of course, once you are done with the images, once you are done with your work, please make sure to stop this session. Okay, so you will definitely go out of your balance, and that of course we don't want. So make sure you just stop the session once you are done. So yeah, that's it for this video, and we'll meet you again in the other video with a new topic. Till then, thank you and bye bye.